Hey guys, it's Mcfixit here. We have a 2002 Town Country, and the license plate bulbs have been burned out and need to be replaced. And so I'm going to show you how to do that. There's just a few tools that you need, and we'll get right into it. These are the tools that you're going to need for this project. A T20, this is a screwdriver version, works really well for this project. The 168 long life light bulbs, or the equivalent of LEDs, which is what I actually went with in this video. They just last a lot longer. And one of these metal trays that has a magnet to it. This helps hold screws and other parts while you're doing this project. So the first step is to go ahead and unlock the car. Pull this up. There's a couple ways of doing it. You can get down below, but I find this the easiest. Go ahead and put your metal tray right where your key sits. Hold your new lights somewhere kind of out of place, and then go ahead and take your T20 and lefty loosey righty tighty on all four of these. They are a little stiff at the beginning. You'll see that they are quite rusted. And you put them in your tray right there. And then notice the way that this thing slants down. You're just going to go ahead and pull it out. You're going to spin it off. Right there is your bulb. Pull it straight out. Yeah, that's pretty burned up. So we're going to go ahead and throw that in there. I do prefer these LED ones. You don't have to go LED, but they do last pretty much forever and are pretty bright. And so snaps right back in. Same concept to put it all back together. Go ahead and get it to twist in there. And then the goal is to slide it back up and in. Take your screw. And no, I do not drive with a license plate off. I just prefer not to have my license plate, especially the back one, in the camera shot. And you want to screw these back in just about as far as they were screwed in. It is all plastic and metal, so you can break it if you're not careful, but it should be seated as the water comes down. Should not be able to go back up and under that. And here is the next one, same concept. Unscrew. Again, it is a little difficult at the very beginning to get these things unscrewed. You have to be a little more careful here because I don't want to knock my tray with my screw off in it. The metal trays are super helpful. They have that magnet in it, and just keeps kind of everything together. Take the light bulb out, goes straight out. Put the new one in, and you can see there's even some burn marks on this, probably from just overuse. Same concept, that goes back up and in. Tighten these back up and in. And that's it. You've gone ahead and replaced those license plate bulbs. Now that it's almost dusk, you can tell that those LEDs do work really well underneath there. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. It really helps the channel and continue to let me be able to do things like make videos for you.